Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidy channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue, your Android phone getting stuck on calling. You go to make a call, but instead of connecting normally, your Android device freezes on the calling screen, refusing to proceed any further. This prevents you from making outgoing calls, a frustrating situation for anyone who relies on their mobile phone. It essentially renders your Android device unusable for any task, potentially leading to significant inconvenience or even unavoidable losses. But don't worry. This video will guide you through the steps to fix this stuck on calling problem. Before we dive into the solutions, however, let's first understand why your phone might be getting stuck on the call screen in the first place. Please watch patiently. This video applies to a wide range of phone models, including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. There are typically several reasons why an Android phone might get stuck on the calling screen. 1. Temporary memory errors within the Android device. 2. Issues caused by third-party applications. 3. Insufficient system memory, RAM, causing the device to lag or freeze. 4. Issues originating from your mobile carrier. These are the most common culprits behind an Android phone getting stuck on the calling screen. Now, let's get ready to try the troubleshooting methods outlined in this video. The issue of an Android phone getting stuck during a call is not difficult to resolve. Below, we've compiled a list of potential solutions. Please try them one by one. We're confident that at least one of these methods will help you resolve the problem of your Android phone freezing on the calling screen. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a like, or leaving a comment to let us know which specific method worked for you. Method 1. Restart your device. When an Android phone runs continuously for extended periods, it can sometimes develop temporary memory errors. If such an error happens to affect the device's calling functions, it may cause the phone to display calling without actually ringing or connecting. Restarting your device helps restore your Android phone to its optimal operating state by clearing out temporary caches, errors, and glitches. Therefore, to resolve the issue where your phone simply displays calling without connecting, please try restarting your Android device. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on the screen. From the menu, tap the restart icon. Your phone will then begin the reboot process. Please wait patiently for the restart to complete. Once it has finished, try making a phone call again to see if normal calling functionality has been restored. Method 2. Check your device's memory, RAM. If your Android phone is running low on system memory, RAM, it can cause the device to slow down, lag, or freeze. The issue of your Android phone getting stuck on the calling screen may very well be caused by insufficient available memory. Therefore, please check whether your Android phone has sufficient storage space. You need to open your phone's settings, locate and tap General Management, then tap Storage within that menu. On the storage screen, check to see if your available space is at 15% or less. If it is, locate and tap the Clean Now button to clear your cache. Once the cleanup is complete, restart your phone and check if it has returned to normal operation. Method 3. Delete third-party applications. If you have downloaded other third-party phone applications on your Android device, these may be the cause of your phone calls getting stuck on the calling screen. Third-party apps may be incompatible with, or conflict with, your Android device's native phone system, leading to the device freezing on the calling screen. To determine if a third-party app is the culprit, try deleting or uninstalling the application in question. Then, attempt to make a standard phone call again to see if it connects properly and moves past the calling screen. If the problem persists, please proceed to the next method. Method 4. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. The SIM card can also play a role in an Android phone freezing during calls. If the SIM card is loose or receiving a poor signal, it may result in an improper network connection. Therefore, try removing and then reinserting your SIM card. You can use a SIM ejector tool to pop out the SIM card tray, remove the SIM card itself, and wait for about 1 minute. Afterward, reinsert both the SIM card and the tray to reinitialize your network connection. Method 5. Contact your carrier. If the problem still persists, the issue may lie with your mobile carrier. Problems with your carrier's network or your specific account could be causing your phone calls to get stuck on the calling screen or fail to hang up properly. To resolve this, please contact your carrier immediately and ask them to troubleshoot the issue. That wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate the work we do, please give us a like, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve your problem. Additionally, if you feel there are areas where we could improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Thank you. Good luck.